All right, so we're here with Todd at Spartan Armor Systems. He's going to show us this new plate that they had here that got my attention. Let me put my water down and go ahead.
Hey George, thanks for having me today. I'm going to break down our Elefros Gen 2 Level 3 UHM WPE plate. This is a great plate for those looking for that rifle-rated protection at a light weight. So this plate here is 3.5 pounds. It's about an inch thick. It's all made from UHM WPE ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, official. It's coated with our Encapsulate coating to keep it, just waterproof and keep it away from the elements. Great option. This is NIJ certified, and it is MIJ certification is 6 shots of M80 ball.
Wow!
And so you will have a back face deformation.
I did like the fact that it had the ballistic trauma pad on the back integrated into it.
Exactly.
Because that was always a pain in the neck for me when I had my setup. I had to go put the pad in there and everything else.
Right.
That's all ready to go.
Exactly. And so this disperses that energy, from that round with that integrated trauma pad in there. So it's a great option. We sell these a lot to the military and the Navy, and then also the Forest Service. When they're doing their drug interdictions and breaking down illegal crops.
Yep.
So if they can hike up into the mountains, light is better for them.
Yeah, I know, because I originally had steel plates, and then I recently switched to some company sent them to me review, the polyurethane, whatever, and it's ceramic and that as well, and it's a level 4 plate, and it's 4 pounds, and I'm like, wow, what a difference.
Yeah.
And I went over to touch this thing, I'm like, that can't be real. That has to be a demo. It's so light.
Right.
But it's a real plate.
It is. I mean, and again, just kind of breaking things down. This plate will not stop the M855 or XM193, and we do have a level 3 plus or an RF2 plate that will do that.
Right.
But yeah, this is a great option. This will probably defeat 95% of the threats that any individual may see.
Yeah. It's definitely light enough, that's for sure.
Yeah, no, it's a great plate.
Awesome.
And it's a multi-curve design, and the ESAPI cut.
And I assume that polyurethane will keep the frag and any kind of that stuff.
Yeah, the way that it's
spalling is what I mean to say.
Again, it's like a spider web where it's containing those fragments within those layers of polyethylene.
Yeah, because that was what I noticed about. I'd never shot one before, and they sent me 2 to test and 2 to keep.
Right.
And I shot it, and we shot it fairly close with a 308.
Right.
And I'm like, where did the bullet go? There's a hole, but there's no spalling, there's no nothing. So definitely very cool.
Yeah, which is the nice thing. I mean, that's with steel, you're gonna sometimes get some of those fragmentations.
Right.
They ricochet off the plate. This is stopping the bullet differently, where it's going through and actually just slowing that round down.
Yeah, very nice. Well, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, George.